So are you ready to turn your fingertips into legit little masterpieces? Yeah, I thought so. And guess what? You totally don't need a pricey salon trip to get the coolest nails ever. Nope, we're gonna prove it like right now. Let's do this. We're about to unlock 5 amazing, super easy designs that I promise anyone can pull off. Seriously, let's jump in and create some magic. Okay, so first things first, we gotta get our canvas prepped. This step is like super important, but don't worry, it's also the easiest part. So any amazing mani starts with a really good foundation, right? You're gonna wanna start with a clean base coat. This protects your nails and makes everything super smooth. Now, you have to let it dry completely, like for real, completely. Don't even think about the fun stuff yet. And hey, while that's drying, it's the perfect time to pick out your favorite colors. All right, for our first design, we're doing a total classic. It is the perfect place to start your whole nail art journey. Get ready for the super cute, always in style polka dot. And look how easy this is. All you need is your base color, a fun poppy color for the dots, and a dotting tool. But hey, if you don't have a dotting tool, no sweat. You can literally just use a bobby pin, a toothpick, or even the end of a pencil. So easy. Okay, so once that base coat is totally dry, just put a little drop of your dot color onto some foil or something. Then dip your tool in and just gently touch it to your nail. And boom, a perfect dot. Here's a little pro tip. To keep the dots consistent, just re-dip your tool every 1 or 2 dots. Simple, right? And so cute. Okay, next up, let's try something that looks like it came straight out of a super fancy salon. We're talking about the dreamy ombre fade. And you're gonna be shocked at how simple this actually is. So for this one, you'll need 2 or 3 colors that kind of vibe well together. And here's the secret weapon, a little makeup sponge. Oh, and the liquid latex or tape, totally optional, but trust me, it's a game changer for cleanup. So start by applying your lightest color as a base and let that dry. Then you're gonna paint stripes of your colors right onto the sponge, make sure they overlap just a little. And now for the magic part. Just dab, dab, dab the sponge onto your nail. You can move it just a little bit to help it blend. Repeat that 1 or 2 more times and you get this amazing bold color payoff. All right, let's get into some minimalist micro designs. This is like a lightning round of totally trendy, high fashion looks that are all about making a huge statement with just a tiny little detail. Perfect for when you're in a hurry, but still wanna look chic. First up, aura nails. The vibe check is immaculate. Just dab a little drop of color with a sponge right in the center of your nail to get this really cool blurred glow effect. So pretty. Next, if you want something chic and simple, try the single dot. Just 1 tiny dot near your cuticle. It's super modern and just chef's kiss. Or how about something effortlessly artsy? Grab a fine brush and just go for it with some random flowing swirls. And the best part is, they don't have to be perfect. In fact, the messier, the better. And now to level up, glitter tips. Start with a base color, maybe something nude, it looks amazing. Then just use a sponge to dab glitter polish on the nail tips. Pack it on at the very top and then fade it downwards. So sparkly. Okay, you guys, get ready for what might be the ultimate pro-level hack. This next one, the amazing marble sticker, it looks so complicated, but it's secretly so easy. This is a total showstopper. And would you believe what you need? Just a couple polish colors, some wax paper, and a toothpick. That's it. That's literally all you need to create this amazing marble look. Okay, check this out. You just drop your colors onto the wax paper and swirl them around with a toothpick. Then, and this is the magic part, you just let it dry for a few hours. It turns into this flexible little sheet, basically a DIY nail sticker. Then you just cut it, place it on a sticky base coat, trim the edges, and seal it all with a top coat for that super glossy finish. How cool is that? And there you have it. Just like that, you are the artist. Seriously, how awesome is that? You're ready to design. So let's do a quick recap of your new design menu. We've got the polka dot pop, the dreamy ombre fade, those cool minimalist micro designs, the glitter tip gradient, and of course, the amazing marble sticker. You've learned so much. The crucial point here is you've totally got this. Just remember, your nails are basically a blank canvas. They're all yours to play with. So now I gotta ask, what will you create first? Get out there and have fun with it.